Hello, namaste, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna unbox Samsung Galaxy M31s. This is the Samsung's online exclusive device. This comes in the typical Samsung style packaging. So without any further ado, let's unbox it. So opening up the box, first we have is the device and some paperwork. So keeping up the paperwork aside, let's remove the device. This device feels very premium and the weight distribution is really amazing. We have the charging cable and the data cable, and we also have the 25-watt super fast charger. And it's really a good thing that Samsung is providing this particular charger right in the box. And this don't have the USB type A plug-in. There is a directly USB-C plug. So it's now time for some ASMR. Turning up the device, it has the security by Knox. The major change of this particular device in comparison with M31 is the design language. This design looks more premium and it also feels premium. And in display department we have gorgeous ass AMOLED panel, which is 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, which also has wide L1 support for late night Netflix and Prime sessions. On front we have punch hole camera, and on back we have a Sony IMX682 sensor. This sensor is capable of taking amazing picture not just only in daylight but also during night time, and the pictures taken from this camera look punchy and realistic at the same time. To keep all the pictures safe, we have side mounted fingerprint sensor. The sensor is quite responsive and fast. We also have a feature of face recognition system. This device supports super fast 25-watt charging. This device is a great option for people who are trying to buy a non-Chinese smartphone, but you're looking at this device from gaming perspective, then this is not going to be the right choice because this device hangs a lot while gaming. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.